So a couple of things I want to go over first, okay? So the first thing I want you to take note is that the quiz has been moved to Monday because there's multicultural on Friday and a lot of people are going to be out. And so I didn't want to have a huge makeup test where I kill about 200 people. So it's going to be on Monday, and then the test is in the same week. Yeah, the test is on Wednesday, which is not too bad a thing because the test is 8-1, 2, 3, and 5. Well, the quiz is 8-1, 2, and 3. So the only other section you need to worry about is 8-5, which is what I'm going to teach you on Thursday. Okay? So it's not that bad. It's not that bad. So today we're starting out with 8-3 and geometric sequences. And I've given you two examples up there of geometric sequences. Using those examples, I want you to give me a definition of what a geometric sequence is by first looking at your notes from yesterday and see how I did arithmetic sequences for you. Okay, I defined an arithmetic sequence for you yesterday. So use that as a definition to come up with a geometric sequence definition. Okay, Cynthia, now what's he doing? Helping you still? Yeah.
Isn't arithmetic when you add a number to the geometric when you multiply?
Yeah, but take a look at your definition. Oh, how can you look at your definition? You don't have your notes with you. So, yeah. Hank, sorry? Yeah, but what do you have instead? No, someone had it right. Ratio. Okay, common ratio. So here's a formal definition of a geometric sequence. Okay. So if you take a look at this and you compare it to what I did yesterday, it's very similar, except that instead of common difference yesterday, you have common ratio today. Okay? It's similar to what I did with arithmetic sequences. The key thing to note in here are really the two formulas. That's this one here and this one here. These two formulas. This is perhaps the more important of the two. You don't have to worry about these equations. It's just a way of going from this one to that one. And I don't expect you guys to be able to do that. Just know your formulas basically. So here's the first example. And what you really want to do is you want to plug and chug in this equation here. Okay. So I'll pose. Will you plug for what? 12 for A1. 3 for R. Can you simplify this further? Do a little bit of fancy math and simplify this. Nope. Give up so easy, Aaron? Sorry? What? Okay, don't forget your Aunt Sally, okay? I thought she'll come and haunt you. Don't forget your Aunt Sally. So you can't do 12 times 3, can you? Cannot do that. Okay, let me give you a hint. Are you okay with this? Are you okay with that? Are you guys okay with that? Okay, remember when you're multiplying, what do you do with exponents, Hao Fang? Like do what? Yeah, I know you do it, but do what? You add them. Okay, so if you add n and -1, do you get n minus 1, which is what this is? Okay? And now, are you okay if I tell you this is the same as this? Because 3 to the minus 1 is 1 over 3. Yes? Now, can you simplify this further? What do you get? 4 times 3 to the n. Is that equal to 12 to the n?
Yes.
Oh, fang. Remember, we're being recorded here, okay? And so I just call on you, and if someone's watching and they're going to associate this answer with you, okay, so it's not 12 to the n. Is everybody okay? This is where the bus stops. This is it. You guys okay on this? All right. Okay, this example is very similar to the one that I did yesterday with arithmetic sequences, except it's got a little bit of sexy math going in there. Okay, yeah, so get this down and yeah, can I start working on this? So what you want to do is, first of all, take a look at this part here. So I'm going to put n equals 4, so I get a sub 4 equals a sub 1 r to the 3. Does everybody see where the 3 is coming from?
Yes.
Is everybody okay? And that is equal to 20. Is that okay? We got that? Okay, and then I'm going to work with the second part here. So I'm going to put n equals 16. So I get a sub 16 is equal to a1 r to the 15 equals 320. So if you look at this, you've got 2 equations with 2 unknowns. And this is where the creative part comes into play. Okay, what do you want to do? What do you what? Cross out? Like how do you just cross out? Not subtracting is not the right answer. Sorry? Divide. So then, yes. What picture? Oh, with that? Oh, yeah. Well, I'll put it on Facebook. I'll see it tonight. So what do you get on the left-hand side? What do you get on the left-hand side? R to the? Nice. Good job. And on the right-hand side? Oh, fang. Again, we're being recorded, dude. Yeah, seriously. 16. Okay. How do you get R now? What do you do for R? Sorry? 12th root. And are you guys okay with me doing a 12th root like this? Right? Back from Algebra 1 days. Okay? Well, I can still go further on this. Is everybody okay with 16 being written as 2 to the 4th? What next? 2 to the 1/3. That's what Leon's saying. Is everybody okay on that? Is everybody all right with 2 to the 1/3 for R? Yes. Now what? Now what? Plug it in where? Which? Well, if you plug it in there. A4, the red one? Why not the blue one? I mean, no, I'm asking you, why not? I think the decision is right that it is the red one, but why not the blue one? No, well, A1's got big ass numbers in there, man. Right? A1's got, I mean, the blue one's got big ass numbers in there. So you don't want to do that. So if you pull it in the red one, then you get A1 times 2 to the 1/3 to the 3 equals 20. Okay? What's this equal to? Is everybody there with Connor? That's equal to 2? Okay? Is everybody all right, Emily? So then you get A1 equals what? 10. Everybody with Connor again on this. Amy? Yeah. So remember, this is not your answer. Your final answer has got to be what AN looks like. So AN is going to be 10, okay, times R was 2 to the 1/3. And this is raised to the n minus 1. So are you okay if I write it like this? So this is your final answer right there. Okay, because when you have exponents, 2 exponents, what do you do with those exponents? Okay, you multiply the exponents, okay, which is what I did right there. So everybody all right on that? So, pretty sexy problem, right? I mean, have you ever seen dividing equations? Geometric sequences is very common to do things like that. Very common to do things like that. What do you mean, is this the only one? What? Yeah. That's the only, yeah. Yeah. Negative? Mas, are you smoking or what? Okay, can you guys work on this one on your own now, okay?